My name is Kimberly Tarver, and I am a professor of physical therapist assisting at Elgin Community College. We are preparing our students to work with a physical therapist who is their supervisor and directs them with a variety of skills and interventions. They work with people of all ages, pediatrics, adolescent athletes, into your 20s and 30s. We work with people into their 90s with a variety of injuries, diseases, diagnoses, and we really focus on regaining function and mobility and to help them be able to live their lives.
My name is Evan Tracy. I'm a physical therapist assistant, and I'm also the manager of rehab services at Rochelle Community Hospital. The first year, you're preparing yourself for clinic. And then the second year, you're really getting into how to prepare for your ultimate goal of passing your boards exam to become licensed. They do a great job preparing you for the boards exam.
It's a big exam and there's a lot on the line. If you don't pass, you have to retake it. So we work really hard to make sure that our program is aligned with all of the criteria and the standards that are set forth. We've been here a long time. Our students have a reputation. They like to have our students in the clinic. They like to hire our students, which is awesome. Our graduates become part of that clinical community, and they're committed to giving back.
I live in this community. I grew up in this community. I was born in this hospital. This is part of my life. Being able to help them and see them thriving out in public is very rewarding.
We have this integrated approach to teaching in the classroom, the lab, and the clinic. We have everything we need to give you experience to prepare you